Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As you know, we are all still home right now. We're maybe just transitioning back into the workforce if some of you are heading back out to work. I know a lot of businesses are opening up slowly. So we're in phase 1 in Canada right now in Ontario, and we're slowly opening up. But let's get back on track. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, my name is Tashia, and I make videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, all affordable for the everyday woman. And I just wanted to be able to provide you guys with some amazing pieces that I recently found in ZARA or on the ZARA website. As you know, we are all shopping online right now. So I did find some amazing pieces, and I want to share that with you guys today, just giving you guys a quick snippet of what it looks like on my body, and if you're maybe these are pieces you would like to get for yourself as well. I will always put the links below for every single item that I try on for you guys. That way it makes it just easier for you guys to shop and get straight to it. With that being said, I'm actually sitting here wearing some ZARA pieces already because I've opened up the box, and I really do like these pieces that I've picked up. Right now I'm wearing here for you this really nice knotted rustic top that I got from ZARA. I absolutely love the style of this top. However, I did get it in a size medium, and I think it would be safer for me to go down to a size small, maybe even in an extra small, because it's quite roomy in terms of the fit of it. Now, I'm not too sure if it's supposed to fit off the shoulder. It does come very low down in the cleavage section, as you can tell. But with this ZARA top on, I do love the fabric of it. It has this linen vibe to it. Regular price on this top is $39.90. I got it in a size medium. The color of this top is in the cream off-white kind of color tone, which is right up my alley. As you know, I'm a very neutral earth tones kind of girl. I just love that against my skin tone. But with this knotted rustic top, it does have a little bit of a bubble sleeve, which you can tell here, and you will see in the shot over here of me showing you what it looks like. I do like this top. However, because of the sizing, I will definitely have to return it and get it in my size. The great thing is that you can style this up or you can style it down. So for me, I would love this in a more casual vibe. So I would definitely team this up with either some wide leg jeans or wide leg trousers with some slides or with some heels, depending on where I'm going, if I'm going out for the evening or if this is more of a daytime look. I did buy the matching skirt with this top. So the knotted skirt that I have here, so as you can tell, this is the skirt. Just going to show you the tag. So it's part of the Join Life collection as well. The skirt itself is $45.90. So altogether, if you want to get the top and the skirt, it's currently on sale for $25.99 each. Altogether, you're looking at spending about $52, and you have a beautiful set. The fabric is honestly really amazing. I believe it is also linen. Let's just check. The fabric is 100% polyester. It honestly feels like linen, but it's not. So I got the skirt in a size small. That's why it feels a little bit snug. But to be honest, I think it was better that I went down to a size small because it does come with the 2 buttons versus doing the size medium, because the size medium in the skirt would have meant that it would have been a lot looser and it would have slipped down a lot more. But it being a size down, it's honestly amazing. So the top, I want to go back to the top because in the beginning I said that the top felt a little bit big and it was really not fitting well. But this top is meant to be worn off the shoulder, guys. Like literally, it has given me life. And the great thing is that it is thick enough that you can wear a strapless bra underneath this top and you would be okay. You wouldn't have to worry about not wearing a bra. You can wear a strapless bra. You may need to pin it a little bit underneath so that way the bra doesn't show as much. But stay true to your size. If you're a size medium, I'm normally a size medium, so I'm not going to go down any smaller in the top, because I do like the fact that it comes really nice off the shoulder. If you do want to go down a little bit, if you're a little bit smaller than me, I'm currently 150 pounds. Normally I'm 145, so I know when I lose that extra 5 pounds, it's going to be a little bit too loose on me. So if anything, you can go and get it taken in a little bit. So I think that it's worth it to just maybe do your true size, and if you have to get it taken in a bit, you can, because there's so much fabric that you're not going to lose out on anything. And you could even maybe bring it in the front or underneath because of that extra fabric, just to make it a little bit more snug and for it to fit very well in terms of if you're wearing a bra. The skirt, go a size down, because if you go a size true to size, I think it's going to be a little bit too loose, because it does come, like I said, with the 2 buttons. And the great thing is, I think you can move these buttons around. That way it can fit you however you want it to fit, because it's just simply a wrap skirt. There's no lining underneath this. So the next piece that I'm going to show you guys is this dress. So I've been eyeing this dress for a while now because I do like the fabric. It's right up my color scheme in terms of if I'm adding color to my wardrobe, it would be something that's very pastel, pink, blush pink kind of color. And it does have, I mean, it's a great summer spring piece. I love the fact that it has that ruching in the waist, in the midsection. I don't know if you guys can see that. The only thing is, I was hoping that this dress was a different type of fabric. I am not a fan of the fabric that it is. So I'll just show you guys the tag. So it's a size medium. So regular price is $49.90, correction. I was able to get this dress for $29.99 from ZARA. Now, to be honest, ZARA does have some amazing pieces, but every so often the pieces that they do have, they're not made in the best fabric. And so this is one of these items that I was hoping would be maybe somewhat in the fabric of the top that I'm wearing now, but it's not. It's in this sort of like in between of like a silky-ish fabric, but it's not silky. I'll tell you the fabric. It's polyester as well. Material. It's not the most pleasing material for me, but I do like the make of it. I do like the design of it and also the color. So we're gonna try this on and see what it looks like. So I do like the fit of this dress, guys, but to be honest, I don't like the fabric. It's a great piece if you're going out for brunch or for a weekend outing. Definitely an outing piece. Brunch, lunch, maybe an early dinner for the spring or summer. But I mean, ZARA does have some really great summer dresses coming out. Would I keep this? Do I think this is worth the $29.99? I would prefer to spend a little bit less for this, but still it does give you a lot of options in terms of wearability. We're gonna move on to another dress that I've been eyeing on ZARA, but at first I didn't pick it up because I didn't want to spend that much money on it because of the fabric that it is. And I tend to have really bad luck with those satin fabrics, because I wear oily products in my hair. So I do wear Shea Moisture and all of that in my hair, and sometimes Shea Butter products on my body, and sometimes use that in my hair as well. So the products that I use are very oily, and because of that, I'm very hesitant to wear like silk and satin fabric pieces, because I know how they just get ruined by the oils and so on. From the body products and stuff that I wear. But this ZARA piece that I did see about, I think in the beginning of like their spring line release, I really have been eyeing because I love the color tone of it. I love the style of it. It's a great spring and summer piece that if you are just going out for an evening, you can throw on with some heels, or if you're out during the daytime with the family, you can put on a denim jacket over it and you can wear some slides and you would be perfect, like beautifully styled. So it is really like the color tone against my skin is just amazing. I do really like it. This is a fabric that this is a fabric you're gonna have to steam to get the wrinkles out. It's a little bit wrinkly because it was in the box, but besides that, it is a beautiful piece. It does come with that racer back kind of look, which I do like, that dainty kind of vibe. The great thing about this dress, which I do really love, is that it comes with that adjustable tie in the back. So depending on how snug you want it, how loose you want it, it's up to you. I think you would definitely need to wear a strapless bra if you feel like you need to wear a bra, because I don't know if the racer back bra will work with this sort of dress. It does have a slit in the back, a nice long slit in the back, which is really, really nice. So this dress does not come lined, so you'll definitely have to be careful about the type of undergarments, again, that you wear. It just so happens that, you know, we're in the time where the fabrics aren't that thick and well lined as our fall winter items that we normally get from Zara. With the spring and summer items, it's a lot more lighter because they want it to be more airy and comfortable for the season that we're going into. So we definitely have to keep that in mind, making sure that we have really, really good undergarments when we're wearing you know, a lot of our spring and summer clothing. So that this happens to be one of those pieces. You have to make sure you're wearing the right underwear. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm not wearing the best underwear today. I'm not wearing the best color and style underwear today to be trying on these clothing, but we're going to try it on anyways because, yeah, I got nothing better to do. So I got the dress in a size medium, so I'm just going to show you guys the tag here. The dress itself was $49.90 and I paid for this dress $29.99, so very similar to the previous dress in terms of price. I love this dress because you can wear it casually and you can wear it out if you have like an evening outing or even a wedding, like a nice outdoor wedding. Again, this will be a great option. I don't think this should be surprising to anybody that I picked this up. It was on sale as well on the special prices section, and I remember seeing this and I was like, oh, that's different. I do like it, but I was not willing at the time, as you know, to spend that kind of price. And then also I was a little bit worried about what the fabric would be like and how it would fit me. It's a bit challenging to show you guys without it on. So I'm going to show you guys here and then I'm going to try it on and style it for you guys. A clip of what it looks like on the model here on the Zara website, and then I'll try it on for you guys. So it is this asymmetric top, so camisole top, and the way it comes, it's like it has the long sleeve, so there you go, almost like that crinkly kind of fabric. And it does have a really nice detail button here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. And the crinkly fabric. And then it's supposed to fit like this on. So it does have this nice little lace detail. And it has a zipper underneath this part. So there's a zipper here that you can get it on. So that's really nice. So let's try this on and see what it looks like. And this will be the last look of the haul. So basically with this top, I really like this top. I like the way it looks. I like the option that it gives me, that I can wear this with a skirt, or I can wear this with jeans, or even like leggings or leather pants, and really play around with this top to give me different looks. I can have it outside of the I could have it out and not tucked in, or I can tuck it in depending on what you're wearing and the vibe that you want from it. I love, you know, one sleeve or off the shoulder look. So this is kind of giving me a little bit of both, with a dainty strap on one end, kind of giving me that very minimalistic vibe, but then it gives me the sleeve on the other end. So I love playing with tops like this, and honestly, this is a piece that I'm definitely going to keep in my wardrobe because it fits my style, it fits my aesthetic, and to be honest, I can see myself styling this in so many different ways. Now, like I said, I got this in a size medium, so the regular price on this is $49.90 as well. I feel like this is like the trending price, regular price for a lot of ZARA pieces, but I actually paid $29.99 for this top. You enjoyed the haul. I hope you enjoyed the video and the review of these items. Please hit the subscribe button, that way you can join the family and support the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.